OnePlus Watch 3 review and unboxing, 32GB storage, NFC pay, Bluetooth calls plus discount. Imagine having a timepiece that's not just about telling time, but also about style, durability, and intelligence. Meet the OnePlus Watch 3, a device that redefines what a smartwatch can be. But here's where it gets controversial. While it's packed with features, is it really worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The OnePlus Watch 3 is designed to be your ultimate companion, offering a blend of style and functionality. With 32GB of storage and 2GB of RAM, this watch is more than just a timekeeper. It's a mini computer on your wrist, capable of storing music, apps, and even handling calls directly from the watch via Bluetooth. Imagine never having to reach for your phone again. That's the convenience the OnePlus Watch 3 brings to your life. But this is the part most people miss. The OnePlus Watch 3 isn't just about convenience, it's also about security and ease of transactions. With Google Wallet integration and NFC support, you can make payments with a simple gesture, leaving your wallet at home. It's like having a magic wand that lets you pay for your coffee or groceries with just a wave of your hand. Now, let's talk about getting your hands on this marvel. Use the JPON+10 coupon code and you can grab the OnePlus Watch 3 at a steal. Head over to the Shopper web store, https://go.net.com/?chat=all12j5g& URL $3a%2f%2 for Kosora-oktivitesmero.araqueso.who%2f Watch-3-P1193099137%2f, and you'll find it priced at just 81,200 feet. But here's a heads up, due to conversion rates, the prices might vary depending on the currency you choose. For instance, setting the webshop to HUF might show higher prices compared to USD. The prices mentioned here are informative and are HUF equivalents of the price displayed on the webshop's interface in USD, or Euro, if USD isn't an option, based on the interbank exchange rate at the time of writing. And this is the part most people miss. The OnePlus Watch 3 comes in sleek colors, green or black, to be precise. Plus, you get free shipping, making it an even sweeter deal. So, are you ready to upgrade your wrist game with the OnePlus Watch 3? But here's a question to ponder: is the OnePlus Watch 3 really worth the investment, or is it just another overhyped gadget? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you think it's a game changer, or just another smartwatch in the market? Let the debate begin.